Today, we are going to talk about the Wave Relay MANET in the air. Our goal is to empower dismounted warfighters as well as decision makers in operations centers with video from manned and unmanned aircraft. We want to make it as easy as possible to discover and consume that video via any available communications pathway. We call this transformation of intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance Next Generation ISR. You've probably experienced video from an ISR platform. Maybe you've been on the ground with an aircraft that is providing video overwatch, or in an operations center watching a video feed of the target. But how does that video get to you? Do you have to carry extra equipment to be able to watch the video? How could this process be made easier? How do we get the video to anyone who needs it without burdening them with additional gear? Legacy ISR systems require a video transmission system on the aircraft, as well as a dedicated video receiver carried by users on the ground. These systems consume a lot of power, are large, heavy, and need to be carried by every user that wants to receive this video feed from the aircraft. The problem is that these systems are not network enabled. They aren't bidirectional. The plane transmits and the user on the ground receives the feed. The system only serves a single function. This means you can't speak with the sensor operator on the plane. You can't take control of the camera. It's just a one-way pipe. ISR aircraft often have an additional beyond line of sight or BLOS capability, such as a SATCOM terminal that allows the same video feed to be sent to the operations center. So now, let's talk about Next Generation ISR and how installing the Wave Relay MANET in the air is changing the game of how video is distributed to warfighters and decision makers. Next Generation ISR allows seamless transition between line of sight and cloud-based connectivity. The MPU-5 on the aircraft is connected via Ethernet into an IP transport, such as a SATCOM terminal. The MPU-5 utilizes this connectivity as an additional pathway to get the data, or in this case, the video, to our end users. We want to ensure that our dismounted users can seamlessly receive the video feed both when the aircraft is directly overhead and when the aircraft flies out of range. Next Generation ISR enables the user to automatically switch between line-of-sight MPU-5 connectivity and SATCOM or host nation cellular connectivity. These transitions occur seamlessly. The dismounted warfighter is not even aware that they are happening. Next-Gen ISR delivers bidirectional connectivity to the aircraft, meaning the dismounted user can communicate up to the pilot while the video is flowing down from the aircraft. The user can push to talk with personnel on the aircraft or chat with them in TAC. Bidirectional connectivity also enables the user to take control of the camera on the aircraft. The operator can use the camera control app on the RDC to steer the camera to the target. Next Generation ISR also leverages the Wave Relay MANET's multi-hop capability, including indirect distribution of video, allowing warfighters indoors or underground to still receive ISR video, even if they are not in direct line of sight of the ISR platform. Our Next Generation ISR solution is all about reducing the size, weight, power, and cognitive burden on the warfighter. With a Wave Relay device installed on manned and unmanned aircraft, the burden on the user to carry extra equipment is eliminated. To sum it all up, Persistent Systems Next Generation ISR provides a fully networked video distribution system that allows tactical end users and operation centers to view real-time video and gain advanced situational awareness. If you want to learn even more about our Next Generation ISR capabilities, please comment below.